6 months ago, I woke up to a flooded bathroom. My cheap, generic faucet had cracked right at the base overnight. When I went shopping for a replacement, I was overwhelmed. The market is absolutely flooded with options that look beautiful, but are built with cheap plastic parts that won't last a year. Finding a reliable, stylish fixture that actually holds up is surprisingly frustrating. Today, I am breaking down the 7 best-rated bathroom faucets I've rigorously tested to save you from a plumbing disaster. But the number 1 spot genuinely surprised me, and it might just change your mind. Seven, Ryuwanku bathroom faucet. When I first took this out of the box, I was genuinely impressed by the aesthetic, as it mimics the look of high-end boutique hotel fixtures. The single-handle operation feels smooth at first touch, and the wide spout is designed to deliver a visually pleasing cascade of water into your sink basin. For anyone looking to quickly upgrade the look of a guest bathroom on a strict budget, this faucet definitely provides that instant visual transformation you might be searching for. Installing the Ryuwanku was a fairly standard process, coming with the necessary supply lines and a matching deck plate to cover older 3-hole sink configurations. However, during my hands-on testing, I quickly noticed that the beautiful waterfall effect comes with a frustrating caveat. Because the water exits from an open, flat channel rather than a traditional aerator, it tends to splash significantly if your water pressure is high or if your sink basin is relatively shallow. I found myself having to constantly wipe down the bathroom mirror and the surrounding countertop every time I turned it on at full volume. The daily usage of this faucet revealed a few more compromises that hold it back from a higher ranking. While the exterior boasts a sleek matte finish, hard water spots build up incredibly fast on the flat inner surface of the spout where the water sits after you turn it off. Unless you are meticulously wiping it completely dry after every single use, mineral deposits begin to form within days, completely ruining that premium boutique look it initially offered out of the box. Finally, when examining the long-term durability, I have to point out the internal construction. Although the outer shell feels substantial, several of the internal connection points rely on lightweight plastic components rather than solid brass. 6. Hurran bathroom faucets for sink. This is a 2-handle configuration that gives you precise control over both your hot and cold water mixtures, and it sits beautifully on a wider vanity setup. Out of the box, the stainless steel construction and classic curved spout give it a timeless look that bridges the gap between traditional and modern decor. I really enjoyed the initial unboxing experience as the components felt reasonably weighted and the brushed finish looked absolutely stellar under bright bathroom lighting. During the installation phase, the quick connect hoses provided by Hurran made linking the hot and cold valves to the central spout much easier than older traditional plumbing methods. However, this is where I began to encounter some notable friction during my testing process. The included pop-up drain assembly, which is supposed to be a convenient matching bonus, is constructed entirely of cheap, flimsy plastic. After setting it up exactly to specification, I experienced a persistent slow drip from the bottom of the drain tailpiece, eventually forcing me to throw it out and purchase a separate higher-quality brass drain assembly to prevent water damage to my vanity cabinet. When it comes to actual daily performance, the water flow is steady, and the aerator does a decent job of preventing the massive splashing issues I experienced with the waterfall design. Yet, the dual handles themselves leave a lot to be desired in terms of tactile feedback. When turning the water on and off, the handles feel uncomfortably hollow and lack that satisfying, heavy resistance you expect from a quality plumbing fixture. Furthermore, there's a slight delay when shutting off the valves. The faucet tends to drip for an extra second or two before coming to a complete stop, which can be highly irritating when you just want a quick rinse. 5. Casavilla bathroom faucet set. This model features a stunning 8-inch widespread design that commands attention and serves as a gorgeous focal point for any master bathroom upgrade. When I unpacked the Casavilla, the sheer weight of the solid brass body immediately stood out, giving me the confidence that this fixture was built to withstand years of heavy, daily operation without cracking or deteriorating under pressure. The installation process was an absolute breeze, largely due to the high-quality braided stainless steel supply lines and the incredibly clear, well-documented instructions. Unlike my experience with the lower-ranked models, every single component in this box felt engineered with precision. The threading on the mounting nuts was smooth, the rubber gaskets provided a watertight seal on the very first try, and securing the heavy valves to the countertop required minimal effort. It is incredibly refreshing to install a product that simply works exactly the way the manufacturer intended right out of the gate. In terms of everyday usability, the Casavilla truly shines. The ceramic disc cartridges hidden inside the dual handles operate with a buttery fluid motion that provides the perfect amount of resistance. You can dial in your exact preferred water temperature with pinpoint accuracy, and when you turn the handles to the off position, the water flow stops instantly without a single lingering drip. The stream is heavily aerated, producing a soft, foamy column of water that is gentle on your hands and completely eliminates the frustrating splashback against the sink basin. Maintaining the gorgeous finish on this faucet has also been surprisingly low effort. The surface is treated with an advanced coating that does an excellent job of repelling water droplets and resisting corrosion in a humid bathroom environment. 4. FORIOUS Black Bathroom Faucet. Matte black fixtures can often be a massive gamble, as cheap finishes tend to chip, peel, or turn chalky white from hard water exposure. I spent weeks rigorously testing this FORIOUS model, deliberately leaving toothpaste and soap residue on the surface, and I was genuinely blown away by how resilient the finish actually is. It easily wipes perfectly clean, retaining that deep, aggressive black tone that makes a modern bathroom pop. One of the standout features of this package is the inclusion of a fully metal pop-up drain assembly with a built-in anti-clogging basket. This might sound like a small detail, but having a durable metal drain that seamlessly matches your faucet and actually catches hair and jewelry before it destroys your plumbing is a massive value add. The installation of both the faucet and the drain took me less than 20 minutes, with the widespread design offering plenty of flexibility to accommodate different sinkhole spacings without any frustrating workarounds. Performance-wise, the FORIOUS delivers a powerful, highly consistent water pressure that makes washing up an absolute joy. The aerator is top-notch, infusing the stream with just enough air to maximize water efficiency while still feeling incredibly robust against your skin. The dual handles have a fantastic, ergonomic grip, and the internal valves operate silently, lacking the annoying squeaks or grinds you sometimes encounter with heavily coated metal fixtures. It feels incredibly sturdy, anchoring firmly to the sink deck without the slightest hint of wobble. Beyond just looking great and feeling solid, this faucet is fully compliant with lead-free standards, ensuring that the water your family uses every day is completely safe. 3. Delta Arvo Brushed Gold Faucet. Delta has long been an industry titan, and the Arvo proves exactly why they hold that reputation. The brushed gold or champagne bronze finish is breathtaking in person, offering a warm, sophisticated glow that completely elevates the entire room. Unlike cheaper, brassy-looking gold finishes, this has a refined, muted elegance that perfectly complements both dark vanities and bright, marble countertops. What truly sets this faucet apart during my testing was the implementation of Delta's patented diamond seal technology. Inside the valves, Delta uses a diamond-embedded ceramic disc that is designed to perform like new for life, actively reducing the traditional leak points that plague standard faucets. When installing this unit, you can physically feel the difference in the integrated supply lines. There are fewer connections to make, meaning there are far fewer opportunities for water to escape. It is a completely sealed, foolproof system that gave me absolute peace of mind once the water supply was turned back on. The daily operation of the Arvo is nothing short of luxurious. The water flow is incredibly precise, and the faucet proudly carries the WaterSense label, meaning it uses at least 20% less water than the industry standard. However, because of the masterful aeration, you never feel like you are sacrificing pressure or performance to be eco-friendly. The handles glide with a heavy, satisfying smoothness, allowing for incredibly fast temperature adjustments, and the arc of the spout provides excellent clearance for washing your face or filling up water glasses. Cleaning and maintenance are virtually non-existent, thanks to the incredibly resilient finish that naturally hides fingerprints and resists tarnishing. Every edge and curve of the Arvo has been meticulously crafted to prevent water from pooling on the fixture itself. 2. Moen Brushed Touchless Bathroom Sink Faucet. Stepping into the world of touchless bathroom fixtures can be intimidating, but Moen has executed this with flawless precision. The Sia features their motion sense wave sensor cleverly integrated into the side of the sweeping, transitional spout. During my extensive testing, I was incredibly impressed by the sensor's pinpoint accuracy. It never once triggered accidentally from a shadow or a reflection, but it instantly brought the water to life the exact millisecond my hand crossed its path. The installation of a smart faucet naturally involves a bit more work, as you have to mount the electronic control box beneath the sink and connect the battery pack. But Moen's snap-fit connections made the process surprisingly intuitive. The battery life is exceptionally long-lasting, but what I love most is that the Sia still features a beautiful, physical side handle. If you ever prefer manual control, or if you simply want to override the sensor to fill a basin, the mechanical valve operates seamlessly alongside the digital components, giving you the absolute best of both worlds. Hygiene is arguably the most significant benefit of this incredible fixture. After working in the garage or dealing with a messy situation, the ability to walk up to your sink and wash your hands without transferring grease, dirt, or bacteria onto the faucet handle is an absolute game changer. The water flows at a predetermined, easily adjustable temperature, ensuring a comfortable wash every single time. The brushed gold finish on the Sia is also remarkably resistant to smudges, though you rarely ever need to touch it in the first place. From a design standpoint, the clean, uninterrupted cylindrical lines of the Sia allow it to blend effortlessly into almost any decor style. 1. Delta Trinsic Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Yes, it is explicitly categorized as a kitchen fixture, but installing this absolute marvel in a large primary bathroom vanity or a master suite wash basin is the ultimate luxury upgrade. The sheer height and sweeping arc of the Trinsic provide an unmatched level of clearance that traditional bathroom faucets simply cannot compete with. Whether you are deeply washing your hair in the sink, hand-washing delicate clothing, or bathing a small pet, the expansive reach of this fixture completely transforms your bathroom into a highly functional workspace. The magic of the Trinsic lies in Delta's Touch 2.0 technology. Unlike traditional infrared sensors that can sometimes be finicky, this entire faucet body acts as a capacitive sensor. A simple tap anywhere on the spout or the handle with your wrist, forearm, or the back of your hand instantly starts or stops the water flow. During my testing, this proved to be infinitely more reliable and convenient than waving in front of a fixed lens. Furthermore, the base features an incredibly sleek LED light ring that changes color to visually indicate the exact temperature of the water, preventing accidental scalding before you even put your hands in the stream. What makes this the undisputed champion, however, is the integrated pull-down sprayer equipped with magnetite docking. Having a high-powered pull-out spray wand in your bathroom sink is a revelation. Rinsing shaving cream down the drain, cleaning the far corners of a wide vessel sink, or simply powering away tough soap scum becomes effortless. The magnetic dock snaps the wand securely back into place every single time, ensuring the faucet never looks droopy or misaligned, retaining its sleek, modern profile, no matter how aggressively it is used.